Exploring the universe, sharing its wonders. These words capture the purpose and essence of the Gemini Observatory, where two nearly identical telescopes explore the universe from both hemispheres of our planet. Gemini's history is one of international cooperation and collaboration. Late in the 20th century, what was known as the Gemini 8-meter telescope project began when an international consortium that now mostly comprises a 6-country Gemini partnership started planning for the next generation of large telescopes. Today, the result of those efforts is the Gemini Observatory. Its twin 8-meter telescopes operate from the heights of Mauna Kea in Hawaii and a mountaintop called Formacion in Chile. The Gemini telescopes observe the universe from the infrared or heat radiation through optical light that we see with our eyes. Gemini's huge reflectors, which are about 8 meters or 27 feet across, collect this light with mirrors that are unique among astronomical observatories. This is because the mirrors are coated with a special layer of protected silver rather than aluminum, which is the more traditional coating for large telescopes. This gives Gemini an advantage in the mid-infrared part of the spectrum, allowing for observations that no other ground-based telescope can do. About 150 employees are responsible for nightly observations, maintenance of scientific instruments, and daily operations ranging from accounting to human resources. The staff is recruited from local communities as well as throughout Gemini's international partnership and beyond. They coordinate activities from the base facilities located in Serena, Chile, and Hilo, Hawaii. In addition, each of the Gemini partner countries maintain a national partner office to serve our scientific users around the globe. As it was originally envisioned, Gemini operates in what is called Q mode, where observations are made each night from a list that has been prioritized in advance to best match the conditions and circumstances of the sky. In one night, observations could be made from planet hunting to searching out the beginnings of the universe, switching between instruments that are kept at the ready to collect data. One of the reasons Gemini is so powerful is because of its ability to observe time-critical events such as sudden violent gamma-ray bursts or even weather events on other worlds in our solar system. Often there are only a few minutes of warning before an observation must be made that will catch an event as it unfolds in space. Gemini also excels in the search for and characterization of planets in orbit around other stars. Using technology that removes distortion caused by turbulence in our atmosphere, Gemini is able to study these exoplanets with extremely fine resolution. Both Gemini telescopes are equipped with instruments capable of dissecting the observed light radiating from these distant worlds. To accomplish these feats, Gemini has moved to the forefront of development in adaptive optics technology. This allows the current generation of large telescopes to see the universe with unprecedented sharpness. Adaptive optics uses deformable mirrors to cancel out the atmospheric distortions that bend starlight and blur our views. On several nights each month, the dim glow of a yellow-orange sodium laser can be seen propagating into the sky from either of the Gemini telescopes. The laser creates artificial laser guide stars, which are used as reference sources for adaptive optics systems on Gemini instruments. At Gemini South, a state-of-the-art adaptive optics system called GEMS uses 5 laser guide stars to utilize a technique called multi-conjugate adaptive optics to provide an extreme resolution over an exceptionally large patch of sky for an adaptive optics system. This next-generation adaptive optics is critical for the 30-meter and large telescopes currently on the drawing boards. Gemini Observatory engages students and the public in each of its host communities through an extremely active education and outreach program. Events like the annual Astro Day Chile and Hawaii's Journey Through the Universe bring the excitement of the observatory's discoveries to learners of all ages. Whether it's studying the violent cores of active galaxies, looking at planets around other stars, or even worlds of our own solar system, Gemini continues to explore the universe and share its wonders with the world.